I'm going to show you how I made this delicious smash burger, and I'm also going to give you my secret ingredient, which makes all the difference in the world. It's great. Let's get started. God, that smells amazing. So when I make my smash burgers, I tend to use the 80/20. Right now we have the 93/7, but I'm actually not going to use the store-bought pre-ground beef. I'm going to show you what we're going to do today. We're going to grind our own. We're going to go with a nice little ribeye and a nice little top sirloin. Now, I've tried different cuts of beef, and for at least what I've experimented with, these are the best two to combine to get a really good texture and a really good flavor. With my burgers today, I'm also going to be throwing in some of the Weber, gourmet burger seasoning. This is actually pretty good stuff. You should try this out, on your burgers. And one of the things that I always put in, because it just adds a good flavor, is the hardest name in the world to pronounce sauce. Because this just gives like a more savory flavor, and I really love this stuff. So definitely give that a try too with your burgers. All right, so let's go ahead and get this stuff ground up and get going. All right, so I've already went ahead and cubed up the beef, so we're gonna go ahead and put it into the KitchenAid and grind it up. Okay, so we got the steaks all ground up. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the salt, the pepper, the gourmet burger seasoning, the hardest name to pronounce in the world sauce, and my sauteed onion and sauteed garlic. Start with the sauteed onion and garlic. Okay, a little salt, a little pepper, some of the Weber gourmet burger seasoning, and the hardest name to pronounce in the world sauce. Just going to combine that together. Okay, so now that we have all the ingredients combined that we're going to use for our smash burgers, we're going to go ahead and make the patties. Now, I'm going to stack them in between a few of these, parchment paper pieces that I cut up and put together on a paper plate. And since I don't have one of those fancy little anvils to smash it on the actual griddle, I'm going to use the back of one of my pots. And it works out pretty darn well. So, as you'll see. Okay, so I got my skillet going. It's already heated up. I'm actually going to spray it with a little bit of the olive oil. And I didn't know that it came in these spray bottles, but these things are great. So go ahead and pick yourself up one of these. All right, so these actually don't take very long to cook, just a couple minutes on each side. Okay, so pro tip, when you're cooking hamburgers, especially when you're doing it inside, I like to go ahead and put a little pat of butter right on top there. And that's really going to add to the flavor of that hamburger patty. Look at that cheese is all nice and melty. Gonna add that to the other patty. Oh yeah. Okay, and the next step is to get these guys assembled. Okay, so I'm at the point where I'm gonna start assembling my burger, and I got all the things that I really like. You know, I got my really nice looking leaf lettuce, and I got my dill chips, and I have my sweet relish. I like them both. Ketchup, of course, bacon, and my brioche bun. But there's one more thing you gotta put on this burger. And it's something I haven't showed you guys yet. I'm probably gonna have to make a video for this, but it's bacon jam. If you like sauteed or caramelized onions and bacon, you're gonna love this. So this is my secret ingredient. I just started getting this, or making this rather, and it's fantastic. You guys gotta try it. So I'm just gonna take a little on the top bun and spread it on. And it really is like a jam consistency, you know, but it tastes so good. I'll definitely have to make a video for this. I really love this lettuce. I've never actually gotten an ugly piece of it. It always looks so nice and green. And that's it. We put this bad boy on top. And look at that beautiful burger. All the melty cheese and the bacon and the big things of lettuce. All right. All right, and there you have it. This is my smash burger. This is, you know, the toppings I put on it and the bacon jam, which is so good. I definitely got to make a video for that. And, you know, I usually just do some steak fries, and I always put a couple pickle wedges on the side. And man, you know, this right here, this is a good meal. So check out my other videos. I got a link in the description below, and I got a card right here. There's probably also one up in the corner to some other, you know, fantastic things that I put together for you. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next Ken in the Kitchen. Man, I can't wait to eat this thing.